They need me to go, but I don't want to leave. Rest in peace, Lil Keith. Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard, just let a nigga know. I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Pot start to bubble, see the suds, that shit good to go. Whole Sam Suave.
I'm getting ready to print out my documents for my trip. So I have my computer here and my printer.
But I can't get recalled, bro, think he John Wayne. I bought them Yellowstones, love the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. You could crack the code, bust down everything. Set in rose gold, Dread talking to you niggas.
Alright, so now I'm trying to pick and choose the suitcase I want to take. I'm thinking the one in the back. This thing is all bruised up, as y'all can see. Like, look at that. And then I got this small little suitcase right here, this marble one. I took this one to Miami. I feel like it's gonna be way too small because I got a lot of clothes and I'm going on a 6-day trip. I'm gonna take these off.
For you and your friends, you know how I spend in USD. I get too crazy, have a little baddie, we stay good friends.
It's like 6:17 right now. Your girl is tired. I ain't go to bed till like 12. One more time.
You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. She what I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Whole time.
Get the ointment and not the cream. This cortisone is a lifesaver. This has been a very big help with my eczema. I usually get my eczema around my neck, like right here in this area. It's a little dark, but the cortisone has been helping to lighten and to also get rid of that dry skin. Cortisone, do your big one and sponsor me. Thank you very much. We are good to go. I washed and blow dried my hair last night. I also did a deep condition. I did a avocado treatment for my hair. Let me know if y'all want an in-depth video on how I do my hair mask. We are about to go and get our hair done.
Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club. Show you just who I was. Outside of the club. Outside the things that a man like me does.
I have an appointment for
drop this money off, pay the mortgage, and then we are good to go. It only makes sense to pay your bills before vacation. Per.
DMX shit. I group DM my exes. I tell them they belong to me, that goes on for forever. And I think we just get closer when we not together. You tell me that I'm confusing. More immature than Marcus Houston. Cuts too deep for a band-aid solution. We too deep in this thing, you never lose me. LOL, I'm glad you find this shit amusing. Heard a lot about me before we started off. I know you heard of my pool parties. much time you spend on them paragraphs when you getting me. All that gray in our conversation history, you playing mind games when you saying things. Playing mind games, we both doing the same.
So I just took a everything shower. I had to shave. And now we are about to get these eyebrows rinsed. I haven't did my eyebrows in forever. So I'm gonna take some aloe vera gel, put this all over my brows. So these are the 3 things I'm gonna use to do my eyebrows.
Slide on a late night, you like to slide on a late night. You send her all you hit text without an invite. That's that shit that I don't like. We both slide on a late night, do things in our own time. We both.
I still have to do my nails. It is about 9:30ish right now. I have to do my nails, my sister's nails, and my mom's nails, and their toes, plus mine. I've been told them to let me know in advance so I can make sure that y'all get your stuff done. We have an early flight, and all I have left is my nails and my toes. And to finish packing up all of this other stuff that I have, along with packing my carry-on, which I'm taking a book bag, something simple. And that's it. I'm gonna oil my scalp, put a scarf on my head, and I'll see y'all later.
Stay.